One of the free features that comes with the Piotnet add-ons for Elementor or PAFE or PAFE or PAVE is the gradient text. And you must say, who cares about gradient text? Well, I do care about gradient text. Here's the example on their website, and it looks okay. But let me show you how a little bit of gradient text can make it really stand out on your site. Remember that if you have installed the Piotnet add-ons, there are two versions. These three that you see at the top are the free ones, and then these are the pro versions that you can get in the link in the description below. Make sure that they are activated, otherwise you won't be able to use them. Let's look now at how this gradient text is applied, and very important to understand, it is only applied and can only be applied to your headings. So if I click on this widget over here, it opens my heading element, and then I go to Style, and under Style you will see here it says the PAFE gradient text. Click on that, and all you do now is activate it, and it becomes as simple as that. So what I want to do is I want to keep a yellow, and I'm going to use my color picker that I have in Chrome installed up here, the color picker eyedropper. Click on that. I'm going to grab a yellow over here. I could have just grabbed that yellow. Copy it and close it, and then paste it in here. And then, already looks pretty nice. The next one I'm going to make white. So I want to do it like this, okay? And then I'm going to, let's just exit out of that. I'm going to rotate it a little bit so that yellow is up in the left-hand corner. Just look how nice that looks. It makes my whole hero image just look totally different. That little bit of styling, it just looks superb, Nigel. Let's have a look at another one. Yes, let's go here to this tasty menu. Let's do the same. We go click on the heading, we go to Style, and then gradient text, activate it. Let's give it again that yellow color that I had copied. Paste that one in, and let's go grab another color. Maybe, let's see what other colors there are here. I'm going to grab my picker again. Let's go over here. I'm looking for a lighter, let's say there. Copy that, Control-C, Command-C, go over here and paste it, Control-Command-V, and again, very nicely done. It just gives your text a little bit of feeling, a little bit of depth. And you can do this gradient text with anything that is a heading. Only the header widgets will work, not other types of widgets. For example, not your normal text widgets will work, but your header widgets will work. Here's another one. Let's go and grab another yellow. I didn't save those colors, so I'm doing the thing I always say, don't do it. Okay, let's grab that yellow, and then we activate the gradient text. We put that one over there. Okay, and then for this one, again, I'm going to make it white. And this is way too light for my taste. Way too light for my taste. Let's grab another one, a little darker. There we go. Control copy, copy Bobby, and then paste that. There we go. It looks to me exactly the same. I didn't achieve there what I wanted to achieve. Nice. So you can see in the moment I've done this, I can do what we've learned now with right click. I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to say copy, and then I'm going to come over to this one and right click and say paste style, and it pastes that gradient text over to that one. Nicely done. And that is the gradient text from PAFE, PAVE, or Piotnet add-ons for Elementor. Such a nice feature. It is for free, and if you want to test it, start with this, and then later on you can try the pro versions. This is JP here with Websites for Beginners.